Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Type attrib c: /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c: /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.